Hello everyone. So today I will start with a new subject on control systems. Today we will see two main important topics. The first one being steady state error and second one being system response. So let's get started. Steady state error. Now the question is, the open loop transfer function g of s is equal to k by s plus 2 into s plus 3 of a unit negative feedback system which produces an output response as shown. So this graph is the output response for a unit step input. Now what we have to do is, we have to find a value for k. Step 1. Now, as we know that it is a step response, we have a general formula for calculating. We will first start by calculating Kp. Kp is nothing but the position constant, especially for step input, which is given by limit g of s into h of s when s tends to 0. And when we calculate that, we get the limit value as k by 6. Now we need the error. So ESS is given by 1 upon 1 plus Kp. Kp value we have calculated here as k by 6. So when I substitute, I will get 6 by 6 plus k. Now this is my error according to the formula. Now if I see from the graph, the maximum value is 1 and the settling value is 0.5. So the error is 1 minus 0.5 from the graph. So now we need to equate both the equations. So 6 by 6 plus k is equal to 0.5. So after simplifying, the value of k I get is 6. Moving on to the second topic. Second topic is on system response. How a particular system responds to an input. There are many types of systems: first order, second order, third order, etc. Now let's see what they are asking in the question. They have given us a system and its response to the step input 8 u of t. Now from here we can see that our system is a single pole system, 1 by st plus 1, and this is the response. Now they are asking what will be the time constant of the system with the given input as 8 into u of t. Now first what we do is, we know that y of s is equal to input into transfer function. So r of s is nothing but the Laplace transform of the input 8 into u of t into 1 by st plus 1. Now the Laplace transform of a unit step function is 1 by s. So r of s in this case will be 8 by s. And when we multiply both, this is y of s value. Now using partial fraction method, we can find the coefficients a and b for the splitted fractions. Now while finding a, I will put s equal to 0 in the other term. So that will give me 8 by 1, which is a is equal to 8, and while finding b, I will put s equal to minus 1 by t in this term. So that will give me minus 8t. Now I have both the coefficients a and b. So after substituting the coefficients in the fraction, I will get the value as 8 by s minus 8 by t upon 1 plus st. To bring it in the standard form, I'll take t common from the denominator. So now both the t's will get cancelled. Now, while taking the inverse Laplace transform, 8 by s will be 8 u of t minus 8 into 1 by s plus 1 by t. Now Laplace transform of this is e to the power of minus t by t. I hope you all know that. So now this is my y of t. From the graph we can find out that when t is 0.32, my y of t value is 3.6. Now I will substitute these values in the new equation which I have got. So y of t is 3.6 is equal to 8 into 1 minus e to the power of t value is 0.32. So minus 0.32 by t. After simplifying, I will get e to the power of minus 0.32 by t equal to 0.55. Now if I take anti-log on both sides, I will get the value of t, which is the time constant, as 0.536. So I hope it's clear. Please feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you.